hast undone thyself, thy son and me, and given unto the house of York such head as thou shalt reign but by their sufferance, to entail him and his heirs unto the crown. What is it but to make thy sepulchre and creep into it far before thy time? You never said anything about music. You said who would I rather be stuck in a lifeboat with? If it's between Jimmy and Robert and all those other spotty wee fucks. If I can pick and mix, Jimmy Page, Robert Plant, and Keith Richards, but he's going to have a fucking good wash first. And there be 1,000 things to do in this London of mine before your poetry can have its penny from the general purse. I tell thee, Master Will, it will be 300 years and more before my subjects learn that man cannot live by bread alone, but by every word that cometh from the mouth of those whom God inspires. It says if I went to school at Oxford, I'd be smart too and use big words. But I'm just a dumb little bunny that doesn't know anything but how to wiggle its ears and eat grass. Poor bunny. He's all disappeared. It's just a little white hanky now. Still smells nice. Like dead rose leaves. She's a sweet little thing, but bless her heart, she's a thief. It's time I faced facts, Elizabeth. My daughter is a kleptomaniac. Soon as we got into that store, she started stuffing her pockets, stuffing her clothing, and she ran away from me. 10 minutes later, I saw her. I barely recognized my own daughter. She looked like a beach ball with legs.